In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit system and updates. Then select simple mode and hit enable. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit settings again. Scroll down to choose exit simple mode at the bottom in the middle and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!